We're making money, but it doesn't feel safe. That's what one agency owner told me in our first session. Profit without a system is just luck, and luck runs out. The Profit Overhaul isn't a spreadsheet. It's a 6-month reset for serious agency owners who want predictable margins, team alignment, and no more panic attack Sundays. We'll plug leaks, build a forecasting model, install a pricing plan that protects profit, and map your goals to KPIs your team actually follows. If you've outgrown messy growth and you're ready to lead with strategy, book your 30-minute free call and I'll show you what clarity really looks like.